Thank you, sir. A very good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Life is like a journey, and we have a destination. Now, every destination, we have small stations when we move. So, same way, we have small goals to be achieved. And each one of us has different goals. It can be short-term goal, it can be long-term goal. And when we set a goal, we know how to achieve it. It's not that we don't know. For a small target, when we get up in the morning, suppose we know what are the tasks we are going to do in that day. So, what are the goals we have? What are the steps to be achieved? What are the steps to be taken to achieve that is very clear in front of us. But then something happens. When you can see on the screen, you have your setting goal and reaching goal. There are just simple three steps in between. Make plan, go to work, stick to it, and you will reach to your destination. When we start, we make a goal, we just set a goal and we make a plan. I'm sure you all must have felt that we are full of energy and enthusiasm. We know that we have to do this and we are so sure that we'll do. For example, a simple thing, we want to be healthy, we want to be fit. So we decide that, okay, I'm going to get up early in the morning and have a morning walk. So if I get up 6 o'clock in the morning, I feel it's so simple. I'll get up 10 minutes early and go for morning walk. We do it for 1 week at least, and suddenly after that we appreciate ourselves. Okay, 1 week I have done, it's no harm if 1 or 2 days I don't go, it hardly matters. And then slowly what happens, getting to work and sticking to it, just two steps, they seems to be moving so far that it is difficult to stick to our goal and then move on. What is it which makes us away from that are different distractions in our, I'm so sorry, it's not moving. So can you hold for a minute?
Yeah, yeah. Anita, just click on the slide once and then it'll move. Click.
Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
thank you. So it is that the distractions which are there, they take us away, and the simple step, stick to it, seems moving far. So what we have to do, we have to stick to all the systems and steps which we have done. When we were in the school, we have a teacher who was there with us when we were moving out, not doing homework on time. The teacher was telling us, yes, you are not on the track. You have to do your work timely so that you get good marks in your exam. And we were moving back to our right track and we were moving on. Now we don't have anyone every time to push us to do the work. So what we have to do? We have to see that we ourselves are disciplined. Discipline, everyone feels discipline means what? Doing everything on time, isn't it? So discipline is doing what needs to be done, even if you don't want to do it. If you have planned you have to do it, you should do it, whatever it is. But how will you manage it? Managing means you need to be self-disciplined. It begins with the mastery of your thoughts. If you don't control what you think, you can't control what you do. You know, we have something here, a very good driver, the mind. You want to do something just for 5 minutes and it will drive you to a way that you don't even realize that 5 minutes when it has become 10, when it has gone to 15, and this driver will not let you come back on your way. And the destination and the goal seems to be very far. Now you can see working on it and sticking to it is moving far just because we have no one to control us. So what you have to do now today, dear friends, I'm going to give you some simple four mantras or steps, or you can say master key, which will help you any goal, any target you want, you can achieve using these small four steps, four mantras. Number one is why. Make your why so clear that why you want to achieve that goal, and that why should be so strong that as and when you're moving out of your track, that why will pull you back. So keep that why written somewhere and keep it pasted on your wall where you are keep looking at it. This is the reason why I want to achieve that particular goal. Simple thing, I want to lose weight. Why? Because I want to look smart. So keep a small smart picture in front of you and that will drive you to see that yes, I want to do it. So keep your why very strong and keep it in front of your eyes every time. Second is your temptations, your distractions. Be so calm, whatever comes around you will not touch you. Have that shield of self discipline around you. If you have that shield very strong, You will overcome all the temptations which can take you away. And then moment of
5
achievement,
minutes.
celebration. Now this celebration, if you do, just celebrate each and every achievement, your target, small steps. If you achieve in a day timely, celebrate it. But that celebration should not go so long that you forget what you have planned. So your eyes should be focused, and your consistency and commitment will take you towards your goal at any cost. So these are 4 simple steps which can master. But who is going to help you do it? There's no one else. It is you who have to push yourself that this is the way you have to go. Keep pushing yourself. When you are pushing your own self, it means you have to become your own motivator, your own mentor. Now, mentor is something which tells you, if you become your own motivator and mentor, it says, motivate your own self. Don't wait for someone else to motivate you. Engage in productive tasks. Never overhear or your own instructions. Time should be valued. Overhear and overlook all distractions coming on your way. And then what will happen? You will rise and reach to your desired destination. If you do everything, what do you deserve? You deserve a round of applause. So, friends, be
Excellent.
self-disciplined, be a winner, achieve whatever you wish, and be happy. Thank you, everyone.